Hi guys, my name is Cikgu Shafiq. So we meet again. Okay, today what we going to do? We're going to learn a new topic about science process skill, and then we're going to do some activity. We're going to watch some video, and then we're going to do some experiment. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so we have learned about science process skill, which is scientific skill. We have learned about observation and classifying. So we move to the next skill, which is this one, measure and using number. So let's check it out. Okay, here it is, measure and use number. Okay guys, before we start our learning, I want you to ready your textbook and notebook because we're going to use it. You can refer along the way we learn this topic. Okay, let's see this first. What we're going to do today? Okay, today we're going to do some learning about scientific skill, which is measure and use number as your observation. You have learning your observation before, but this time we're going to measure and we're going to put the number as the observation. And of course, we're going to do some fun activity. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so why it is so important in scientific skill, measure and using number? It is because we want to get the observation from science investigation. Rather than we use words, we use number. So it's going to be more precise and easy to compare with pattern. So you're going to learn about pattern in next years, I think. So we're going to learn it early. Alright guys, so let's see this. What can be measured? There are a lot of things can be measured in this world. So this is some example. For example, number one is height, which is tinggi. You can measure the height and you can get the measurement of height. Next one is weight. Weight is berat in bahasa, and you can measure your weight, any weight, any object weight. And next one is speed. Speed is kelajuan. You can measure the speed of your bicycle, you can measure the speeds of your father's car, and also you can measure the speed of MotoGP racer speed. Alright, so next one is time. Time is commonly we use every day class. So look at the time now, what time it is right now. Alright, so that's way how to measure the time. Okay, we use the clock, watches to measure the times. Alright, next one is temperature. Temperature in bahasa Melayu is suhu, which is happen right now. If you go to the shopping mall, you have to get your temperature measure first before you enter the shopping mall. I'm sorry. And the last one is distance. You can measure the distance between school to your house, between Seremban to Port Dickson. Okay, all of this measurement you will learn in primary school, whether in year 4, year 5, year 6. Alright, so okay class, to measure something we need a tools. Like I showed it to you before, the tool that I show it is ruler. Ruler is to measure length, which is you going to use this tool a lot in your year 2 science. Alright, next one is the measurement tapes. You can commonly find this at the tailor shop. Alright, so the tailor use this to measure the length of your body, okay, the length of your head, the length of your hand. Alright, next one is, what is this class? This is the scale which is commonly used to measure your weight ataupun berat. Alright, next one is also the scale commonly used in the market, of course, to measure the groceries weight. And this one also called the measurement tapes. You can find it on the contractor building a house. And the last one, this one is fun. This one is thermometer. This is the manual thermometer. You commonly see the digital thermometer, but this one is manual thermometer. It is used to measure the temperature. Alright class, so let's try this. I want you to take out your 3 different pencils from your own pencil box right now. Okay, and then we can going to use the ruler to measure the length of each pencil you take out just now. Okay, you may ask your parents to help, your siblings to help. Okay, on the way you measure the pencil. Alright, and then we're going to record it in the table chart. I'm going to show you in this video. Okay class, so this is the activity we want to do. So take your 3 different pencil. So I take this pencil color from my daughter's pencil box, 3 different, so you can see the difference of the length of the pencil. Alright, so we're going to measure the length of the pencil. I'm going to show you. Okay, but first of all you need to draw a table. Okay, draw a table like this and name the pencil. We got 3 pencils, name the pencil. So I name the pencil like this. You can name it with the alphabet A, pencil B, and pencil C. Okay, so we know which one is pencil A, this one is A, this one is B, and the shorter one is C. Okay, so this is, we label the pencil first. Okay, draw your table, label the pencil, and then we're going to measure the length. Right, so this is how you're going to measure the length. Okay, first we take the pencil A. Okay, put it on the table. Okay, take your ruler. Okay, make sure your ruler have centimeter measurement. Okay, look at the centimeter measurement unit. Okay, ask your parents to show it for you. Okay, alright, so to measure this one, first of all you have to put your pencil on the table. Okay, and then make sure the tip of the pencil of the object you want to measure is parallel to the tip of the ruler, like here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to mark a bit here. Alright, and then mark the end of the pencil. Okay, so you got the length. Alright, so we going to measure from this one, from this mark until this mark. Alright, so measure it. Okay, make sure the first mark is on the first mark of the ruler. Alright, so this is 14 centimeter. So we got the first pencil A, the length is 14 centimeter. So take your table, okay, and record your observation. 14 centimeter. Alright, we go to the second or pencil B. This is pencil B. Okay, do the same thing. Before we measure this pencil, we mark it first, the first tip and the end of the pencil. Okay, and then make a straight line so it's going to be more precise. Okay, this is pencil B, and then measure it. This one is 13 centimeter. Okay, so take your table and write it down. 13 centimeter. And the last one, pencil C. This is pencil C. Okay, mark the first tip and the end of the pencil. Alright, then make a straight line and measure it. This is pencil C, and the leg is 12 centimeter. So we got this. Take your table and write down your observation. Alright, so we got all the length of the pencils. This is pencil A, this one is pencil B, and the last one is pencil C. By using ruler and number, we got the observation we put in the table chart. So good luck to try, guys. Alright, so this is the time, activity time. So in your textbook, turn to page 9 to 10. Okay, we're going to do some activity. What measurement of my head? Okay, so take a head measurement of all of your family members. Copy the activity in the science notebook. You don't need to draw. Take a picture of your investigation and upload it and submit it in Google Classroom. So let's review the textbook, page 9 to 10. Okay guys, this is science textbook year 2. Okay guys, we're going to do this activity. I investigate on the page 9. Okay, what is the measurement of my head? So this is what we're going to do for your task on PDPr, on science. Alright, so what do we need? The apparatus and materials, peralatan yang kita perlukan, which is first is ribbon. If you don't have the ribbon, you can use any string, benang, Okay, and we need a ruler, any ruler, but the best is to use the long ruler. Okay, and next one is marker pen. You can use the permanent marker pen. Ask your parent, your sibling, if they have any marker pen. We're going to use the marker pen as a mark. Okay, and the last one is scissors. And to use this, be careful guys. Ask your parent to help. Alright, so there are a little change in this activity I'm going to tell you after this. Alright, for we look at the step. First is you're going to wrap the ribbon or the string around your family's head, your brother's head, mom's head, or dad's head, anyone in your family, and then move it around. Look at the picture and mark the edge where the ribbons overlap. Okay, tandakan menggunakan marker pen dekat last tu, dekat last awak ukur pakai ribbon, awak tandakan. And then second step, cut off the mark spot. Potong berhati-hati the mark spot yang awak tanda tadi. Alright, and then the third one, measure the length of the ribbon using a ruler. Okay, put the ruler on the table and put the ribbon beside the ruler. Okay, and start measuring. Make sure you put the ruler and the ribbon in parallel. Start from 0 and then take the reading here. You can see the circle here. Okay, baca, minta bantuan mak bapak awak ataupun adik-beradik awak untuk membaca kalau awak tak tahu. Alright, so what's to do next? Alright, next one. Okay, record the information in the table as shown below. Okay, draw a table in your science notebook and then write down the name of your family member, and then write down the measurement of head that you have taken just now. Alright, okay, awak tuliskan nama family awak ke, and then awak tuliskan, catatkan bacaan ukuran kepala dekat sini. Okay, and then share your observation. Okay, so how to share your observation? Okay, like I said before, take a picture of this observation table and then upload it in Google Classroom. Okay, and don't forget to submit it last. And then try to answer the question. First, what are other tools that can be used to measure your head? Apakah peralatan lain yang boleh digunakan untuk mengukur kepala awak? Okay, so you can ask anyone to what tool we can use other than ribbon and ruler. They are tools. Okay, I want you to think about that. Okay, so class, I need you to copy this one. What is the measure of the activity? Write down your name, write down the date and day, and write down the activity we're going to do today. What is the measure of my head? Okay, write down the apparatus and material, and write down the step. You don't need to draw this picture, you just have to write down the step. Okay, and then you have to draw a table to show your observation. Okay, and then last one, the question. Answer the question. Okay guys, so that should be it for our today's lessons. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop any question to my WhatsApp, or to my Google Classroom. I will answer it fast as I can. Alright, so happy learning guys. That's all for today. So be safe. Bye.